Welcome back to English and Chill. Today, we are learning how to speak faster without those long pauses. Listen for phrases like brain freeze and out loud as our speakers share their best fluency tips.
Hi, Mark. How are you doing today?
Oh, hey Sarah. I'm okay, just a bit sleepy, you know?
Sleepy? Did you stay up late studying again?
Yeah, I was working on my history paper until like 2 a.m.
Wow, 2 a.m. That is so late.
I know. And now I have to give a short talk in our English class.
Are you worried about it?
Actually, I'm a bit nervous about the pauses.
The pauses? Like when you stop talking to think?
Exactly. My brain it stops. I get brain freeze.
Brain freeze. Good phrase, Mark. It means your mind stops working.
Yeah, brain freeze. I want to talk fast, but I can't find the words.
I used to have that problem all the time, too.
Really? But you speak so well now. You never pause.
Oh, I still pause sometimes. But I learned how to think faster.
How? Did you take a special class or something?
No, nothing like that. I just changed how I practice every day.
Can you tell me your secrets? I really need help for this talk.
Of course. Let's talk about it. It's really about daily sentences.
Daily sentences? What do you mean by that, Sarah?
Well, first, we need to understand why we pause.
I think I pause because I'm thinking in my own language first.
Yes. You translate in your head. That is the biggest problem.
Translate. Yeah, I do that every single time.
Translate is slow. Thinking in English is fast. That's the difference.
I know, but thinking in English is so hard, isn't it?
It feels hard at first, but you can train your brain like a muscle.
A muscle? Like going to the gym?
Exactly. Like the gym for your mind.
Okay, so what is the first step for this brain gym?
Step 1 is to start with your morning routine.
Routine. That's like the things I do every morning, right?
Right. Like habits. Routine means the things you do every day.
So I should talk about my coffee? I love coffee.
Yes. But you have to do it out loud when you are alone.
Wait, speak out loud to myself? That's kind of weird.
It's super weird, but it works so well. Trust me.
Okay, so I wake up and I say, I am waking up?
Exactly. You use very simple sentences about what you are doing.
Like, I am making coffee. It smells good.
Perfect. I am making coffee. That is a great daily sentence.
And then I say, I am drinking my coffee?
Yes. Every morning, I spend like 10 minutes just narrating my life.
No way. 10 minutes? I usually only have like 5 minutes before I run.
Even 5 minutes helps. You say, I put on my shoes. I grab my bag.
Wait, seriously? Does that really help with thinking fast?
It does, because you aren't translating. You see the bag, You say bag.
Oh, I see. My brain connects the object to the English word directly.
Yes. No middleman. No translation in between.
That's cool. I think I can try that tomorrow morning around 8 o'clock.
Great. That's the first tip. Just simple daily sentences out loud.
What about when I'm walking to school? Can I do it then?
Yes. That brings us to tip number 2. Describe what you see.
Describe what I see. Like, I see a green tree?
Exactly. Or the bus is late or the sun is very bright today.
Wait, let me try. I see a blue bird over there near the library.
Perfect. A blue bird. You're doing it right now.
But it's just one sentence. How does that help me talk for a long time?
Well, like, you start with one, then you add another one, you know?
Like, I see a blue bird. It is very small. It is flying away.
Yes. 3 sentences. That's a small story already.
I guess that makes sense. It builds the flow.
Exactly. Flow. Your brain starts to move faster and faster.
I tried to do this once before, but I got really frustrated.
Why? What happened?
I didn't know the word for, the thing you use to open a door.
A handle? Or a doorknob?
A doorknob. I couldn't remember it, so I just stopped talking.
Oh, Mark. That's a classic mistake. Don't stop.
But if I don't know the word, how can I keep speaking?
You just use other words to describe it. Like, the thing for the door.
Really? I feel like that sounds a bit silly.
Actually, I think it sounds natural. Fluent speakers do it all the time.
True. I guess even in my own language, I forget words sometimes.
Exactly. It's no big deal. Just don't let the engine stop.
The engine. Is that another metaphor, Sarah?
Yes. Think of your brain like a car engine. You want to keep it running.
I like that. If I stop to find a word, the engine turns off.
Right. And it's hard to start a cold engine again, isn't it?
Oh, for sure. It takes a long time to get moving again.
Exactly. So, tip number 3 is, use fillers to keep the engine running.
Fillers? Like and
Yes, but also phrases like let me see or well or actually.
Wait, I thought fillers were bad for English learners.
Too many are bad, sure. But a few fillers give your brain time to think.
Interesting, so I can say, well, let me think while I look for a word?
Yes. It keeps the conversation going. It sounds much better than silence.
Silence is very awkward. I hate it when everyone just looks at me.
Me too. It's the worst feeling in a presentation, right?
Totally. Last week, I was talking to the Professor Ann.
Wait, don't tell me, did you just freeze up?
Yes. For like 10 seconds. It felt like 10 years.
Oh man, I know that feeling. I once forgot my own name in a speech.
No way. Your own name? That's wild.
It was so embarrassing. But I just laughed and said I'm a bit nervous.
That's a good way to handle it. It makes you sound human.
Exactly. We are not robots. Even native speakers make mistakes.
Actually, I feel a lot better now. This is really helpful, Sarah.
I'm so glad. It's all about practice and being kind to yourself.
I think I'm learning a lot today. I'm ready for the next tip.
Okay, tip number 4. Connect your ideas with simple words.
Connect them? You mean like and or but?
Yes. And, but, so, because. They are like glue for your sentences.
Glue. I like that. It keeps everything stuck together.
Right. Instead of 2 short sentences, you make one longer one.
Like, I want to go to the park, but it is too cold today?
Exactly. But is the bridge there? Bridges are great for flow.
Wait, is it okay if I use the same word many times? Like and?
For now, yes. In the beginning, it's more important to keep talking.
Okay. So speed is more important than being perfect?
Personally, I'd rather speak quickly with mistakes than slowly and perfectly.
I'm not so sure about that. I hate making mistakes.
I understand. But, how do you learn? You learn by making them.
True. But what if we focus on just a few mistakes at a time?
Oh, that's smarter. Maybe just focus on one thing each week.
Yeah. This week, I will focus on not pausing so much.
That's a great goal. So, let me see if I got everything.
Yes, please. Let's go over the main points. My brain is a bit full.
First, use daily sentences during your morning routine.
Right. Talk out loud about my coffee in my bag.
Second, describe what you see when you are outside.
Yes. Like the bluebird and the green trees.
Third, use fillers to keep your car engine running.
Actually, I like that one a lot. Let me see.
Fourth, use glue words like and, but, and because.
Got it. Glue words to make longer sentences.
And the most important one, don't translate in your head.
Think in English. Wow, Sarah, you should be a teacher.
Haha, maybe one day. I just want us both to do well in our talk.
I feel much more confident now. I'm actually a little excited.
That's amazing. Confidence is half the battle, don't you think?
Yeah, I think you're right. If I feel good, I talk better.
It's true. When you are relaxed, the words just come out easier.
Speaking of being relaxed, I think I need another coffee.
Another one? You already had one from Starbucks this morning.
Well, like I said, I only got 5 hours of sleep. I'm exhausted.
Okay. I'll walk with you to the cafe near the library.
Wait, really? That's so nice of you.
We can practice our describing what we see tip on the way.
Oh, no. I have to start right now?
Yes. No excuses. What do you see right now?
Let me see. I see a red car. It is driving fast.
Good. And what else?
I see, a tall man with a black umbrella.
Excellent. See? You are thinking in English already.
It feels a bit strange, but also kind of fun.
That's the spirit. It should be fun. It's just a language.
I'm going to try the morning routine thing tomorrow for sure.
Awesome. Tell me how it goes on Monday, okay?
I will. Thanks for the help, Sarah. You're the best.
Anytime, Mark.
Now, let's go get that coffee.
Yes. I'm buying. I owe you one for the great lesson.
Haha, I won't say no to a free latte.
Let's go. See you in class later if we don't finish before then.
See you later, Mark. Have a good one.
You too, Sarah. Bye.
You just heard Sarah and Mark talk about the brain car metaphor. Remember to practice your daily sentences out loud to build your own fluency.
Follow English and Chill for weekly practice and more real conversations.